Finding the perfect stitch distance from your edge on your project, adjusting these wing dividers can be a pain, especially when you're going between different projects and the space is a little bit different. Introducing the Stitchywidgets. We designed these handy little tools to always be ready to mark your stitch line accurately. No adjusting. Cut from 6061 aluminum, hard anodized in 3 different colors. I only got 2 right here right now. It's going to be blue, green, and red or burgundy. It's going to be a 5mm, 4mm, and a 3mm. Another interesting thing about these is they have a variable line weight. So if you go at an angle like so, it's going to be like this. If you pick it up a little bit like so, it's going to be like this. So you can adjust how you want your line to look for your stitches. But we didn't stop there. Also, on this end right here, we've included 6 unique radius templates, all laser engraved. We're going to have an R15, an R12, 10, 7.5, 6, and a 5. You can accurately and consistently mark and cut your corners, especially using the bump jig. Just put the bump jig right here in the corner like so. Get your scratch awl and mark it and cut it. Now these are available for pre-sale right now. We have 75 sets and the pre-sale price is going to end this Friday. So hop on the link, grab yourself a set.